Forget holding your breath, the fastest way to stop hiccups is swallowing a spoonful of sugar. Most people try all sorts of tricks to get rid of hiccups, but science says sugar actually works better. When you swallow a spoonful of granulated sugar, the grainy texture stimulates the vagus nerve, which helps reset the nerve signals causing those annoying spasms. It's not just a random grandma remedy, studies have shown sugar interrupts the reflex arc that creates hiccups, stopping them in their tracks. Instead of waiting it out or feeling awkward in public, head straight for the sugar jar. Next time hiccups hit, skip the breath holding and go for a quick spoonful of sugar. You'll be hiccup-free before you know it and probably surprise everyone around you with how fast it works.